Felicia Price, the youngest graduate of the Sacian Space Corp Academy. Thrust into an elite training program, she finds herself under the command of Lieutenant Ace Shepard, the most decorated pilot on Sacia. But Ace carries a burden, a past scarred by tragedy. The loss of his wife still haunts him, and Felicia, her uncanny resemblance to the woman he lost, raises questions no one is ready to answer. When disaster strikes and 3,000 civilians vanish without a trace, duty calls. Ace must push aside his past. Felicia must prove she's more than just a promising recruit, because out here, grades and high scores mean nothing. Only survival matters. As war looms and enemies close in, the battle isn't just in the skies, it's within. Can Felicia survive the fiery trials ahead? Can Ace find redemption before it's too late? And will they uncover the fate of the missing before darkness consumes them all? Trial by Fire, a story of resilience, sacrifice, and rebirth.